So here's your pop-up roof, and you're looking at £112,000 Lanzarote grey cab, and here we've got the side view with the pop-up roof. So let's go and have a quick look inside this one and see what the pop-up is all about. The staircase, do you remember that, Sue?
Yeah.
The staircase, and just look what's up there. Amazing bedroom upstairs. Who would have thought? And your cab, you can have your swivel seats here, and you could put a little table here, couldn't you, and have coffee. Not a problem. Your washroom is here. I did say it'd be a quick look, so we just really dash round.
It's a swing wall, isn't it?
Storage down here.
And here, big cupboard here, look.
And under the stairs cupboard.
They've got a hanging rail at that one, so
Yep.
you can put your coats in there.
Okay.
And then your shoes maybe in that one.
Yeah. Nice kitchen. The triplex Thetford.
Yeah.
Lots of
Storage under
cupboard
there.
space, and then your lounge. And you've got a good sized lounge there.
Drop down bed, and then an extra bit at the back.
Space at the back for where the garage is. And have you noticed, Sue? Another drop down bed.
Yeah.
There are seatbelt attachments here, so two people can sit and travel in the back. Yeah, nice height.
Nice height, nice
And then
fridge.
freezer in the bottom.
Well, that's nice with the pull-out bit. It's so much easier,
Pull out
isn't it?
freezer, yeah. And then you could, I suppose, have a microwave or something on the top here if you want to. TV is there, so you're travelling and sleeping full. Guess who wanted to go upstairs? This could be interesting. Good job we got a long skirt on, babe.
Yeah. That's quite good.
So what's it like to lay down up there?
Loads of
Am I too
space.
cheeky to ask?
Loads of space.
Yeah. Do you feel safe?
Yeah, well, you'd have to sleep this side, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
In case I fell out of bed.
Yeah,
I'll
you wouldn't
sleep
like
the
the
other
drop, would you?
side.
Yeah.
But you'd have to be careful in the morning. You wouldn't better come up here if you're drunk, would you?
You'd probably collapse into the bed at the back here. Oh dear. You never know what she's going to say, do you?